What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I got an OnlyFans video for y'all. I did a poll on my community tab and I asked y'all what OnlyFans video y'all wanted to see next, and y'all picked this video. So y'all want to see how I promote my videos on Twitter. I know I talk a lot in my videos about how I use Twitter like predominantly to promote for OnlyFans. So I guess y'all just wanted me to be more specific, so that's what we're going to do in this video. I'm going to show y'all exactly what I do to promote on Twitter to get as many fans as possible. Just a couple housekeeping things. When I do OnlyFans videos, I do $3 promo. So ladies, if you need ideas for your OnlyFans, or if you want to get in contact with me, or if you just want to subscribe to my OnlyFans, will be $3 for the next week. Fellas, you subscribe too. Ladies, also, if you have questions about promo, I do promo for free accounts only right now. I have an email specifically that I use for just like OnlyFans stuff, because I get messages on like every platform. So it's hard to keep up with sometimes. So if you can use this email to email me like questions or about promo, use the email I'll put on the screen, and it'll be in my description as well. Give me at least 2 days to respond, because like I said, I get backed up with questions. So yeah. Also ladies, if you have not signed up for OnlyFans yet, make sure you use my referral code, my referral link. It'll be, my link tree will be in my description and in the pinned comment, and it's the second link on my link tree. And if you use that link to sign up, I'll give you free promo like on a weekly basis, or we can set something up. But if you do use that link and you actively use your OnlyFans account, I do give free promo if you sign up through my referral link. I think that's it, so we're just gonna hop right into the video now. Kind of set off to the side so I can put my screen record over here so I can show y'all exactly what I do. And sorry, I just literally just I didn't even do anything to get ready for this video, so excuse the way I look today. Okay, so I have 2 Twitter accounts. Let me put the screen record on. Hold on. Okay, so my main account, this is what it looks like. I do not use it for, well, I use it for OnlyFans promo, but I don't flood my account with it. So I like subtly promote my OnlyFans on here, and I'll show y'all real quick what I do. But my other account is what I use for promoting, and y'all see that other account, it's like literally strictly like for promoting OnlyFans stuff. But I actually do use Twitter. So on my main account, even though I have all these followers, I don't want to just keep posting OnlyFans stuff, because like I said, I use it and I don't want people to unfollow me because all they see is like I'm posting OnlyFans stuff on here. I do have my OnlyFans link in my bio so they can clearly see that I have an OnlyFans, but it's not like the only thing I talk about on here. Like there's other stuff on this account because this is my main account. So I'm just going to show y'all real quick what I do to promote on here. And I guess it's promoting, but like I said, it's like a subtle promote. Like it's not like, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna blur that part out so y'all can't see my pictures. But I take pictures for like OnlyFans promo throughout the week, and I'll just have an album on my phone where I just have like literally the stuff for that I'm gonna post on Twitter to promote, like the pictures or videos, whatever. So I'm gonna go to that album. I'm gonna post a video on this account. I don't think this has sound. I hope it doesn't. I don't think it does. So I'm gonna post this video. Okay. Yeah. So normally I'll have like a caption, but I really didn't think about one because I'm just, you know, doing this video randomly right now. So I am just gonna pick an emoji. What emoji do I want to use? I'm gonna use a little, I don't think the video has sound. I hope it doesn't. Okay, so that's a video I'm gonna use to promote, and I'm just gonna tweet it. It's tweeting. Okay, it was sent. Okay, so I tweeted that, and now I'm gonna add a tweet like responding to the video, and I'm gonna put my OnlyFans link. I could have just copied it, but I'm just gonna type it. Danek. So I just put my OnlyFans. Oh, hold on. Why I separated like that? Okay, so I just put my OnlyFans link, and I'm gonna tweet that out as well. So yeah, so now that's on there, and that's literally how I promote on this account. That's all I do. Oh, well, I do. I'm gonna fleet the tweets because I get a lot of views on my story on Twitter, so I'm gonna fleet it. You want to fleet the picture or video first, so that's the first thing they see, because if they see your OnlyFans link first, they're just gonna be like, bitch, I'm not watching the rest of your story. So make sure you tweet the picture or video first. Just gonna change the background, and if you want to be a little bit extra with it, you could go to the little smiley face down here, type in click, and you can just like pick an arrow. Let's just choose this one and, like, you know, tell them to click. So that's cute. And then we're gonna fleet the OnlyFans link as well. And y'all can see down here, as soon as you tweet your OnlyFans link, you get so many accounts that will just like, they're like promotion accounts. They'll quote your OnlyFans shit, and it's annoying, but that's what they do. They want you to buy promo off of them, or like, I don't know. But you'll see when you do that with your OnlyFans link, you get a bunch of accounts. Let me show y'all. Like this. I hate it, but that's what they do. They want you to DM them. You get so many like that when you tweet your OnlyFans link. See, that's all this is right here. Okay, so now we're gonna go to my account that I use for OnlyFans promotion. This account is strictly for OnlyFans promotion. I do not use it for anything else other than that. So I don't mind flooding this with like OnlyFans content. Like, look, all OnlyFans stuff for the most part. And retweeting my other account. Oh, I don't know if I can show that, but y'all get the picture. That's all that's on here. And I don't have as many followers obviously on this account because it's not my main focus. It gets me followers on OnlyFans. So what I'm going to do first is go to my main account, which is in, I don't know if y'all seen that, but it's in the bio of my OnlyFans Twitter account, I guess we'll call it that. So I'm just gonna click on that. I'm gonna go to my media, and I'm just gonna retweet and like what I posted on my main account. I'm gonna retweet my link, and I'm gonna share it on the fleet on this account as well. Same order. You want to do the picture first. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my promo for this account. So you see my pinned tweet? That's literally what I post every time. Like, every time I post the promotion for this account, I am just gonna fucking select all and copy, and I'm gonna go to my I'm gonna tweet it out and literally copy and paste what I just put. I put hashtag BBW, and if guys search up that term on Twitter, my picture is likely to pop up. Oops, actually, okay. Actually, you actually want to, don't paste that until after you select your picture, because it won't let you select your picture if you do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. So I'm gonna find a picture again. I'm gonna use two different pictures in the same set, but different pictures. Again, I'm gonna paste. Oh man. Yeah, it's not. Hold on. I gotta go copy that again. Paste what I had in my pinned tweet, and my OnlyFans is actually $3 right now, so I'm gonna change that to $3. And like I said, it says hashtag BBW. Don't miss out on great content. Sub below. $3 OnlyFans. You definitely, if it's a cheap OnlyFans, you definitely want to promote that price. So we're gonna tweet this out, and I'm actually gonna pin this to my profile because it's up to date. My OnlyFans is $3 right now. And then share this in a fleet. And I'm gonna put the little click thing on here. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna share that, tweeting it out. Okay, so that's gonna get my profile a little bit of attention. On this account, the reason why it does so well with promoting on this account is because I follow girls with similar body types as me, and then I go on their follower list and follow like all the guys on their list, because that's, you know, that's my audience, is guys. Well, it's guys and girls, but you know, I follow the guys that I think will subscribe to my OnlyFans. So it works good to promote on this account because it's mainly people that are interested or find me attractive, you know what I mean? Whereas my other account, I have 36,000 followers, but it's like literally people that I don't even know. Like, it's not like the audience on that account that will subscribe to my OnlyFans. Like, this account specifically, everybody that follows me on here, they're here for, you know, this kind of content. They like the way I look. That's why I highly suggest making 2 Twitter accounts. The one that you specifically use for OnlyFans content. Like, I mean, if you have one already, if you want to start from there, yeah, that's fine. But it's better to have one where you only follow like your audience that you want to subscribe to your OnlyFans, because promoting on here does way better than my other Twitter account, because like I said, everyone's on here because, you know, they're interested in my content. So think about it. I know I say it's a lot of my videos to have a second Twitter account, but honestly, it helps with getting subscribers if you're following the people that like you. You know what I mean? So think about it. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I tweeted. So I think I already have this copy, but I'm gonna copy it again, and we're gonna do some more promoting. We're not done yet. Okay, so before I show y'all how else I promote, when people quote my picture with my OnlyFans link and stuff, I go like it. Well, I ain't gonna do that, but I just go like it and retweet it, so that way it gets on my timeline again and get more people seeing it. I think that's it for right now. But yeah, anytime anyone quotes my post, I do that. Okay, so now if you want to get even more followers, you want to promote some more on Twitter, and there's more ways to promote. So in your Twitter search engine, what you guys know how to get to it, I'm not going to show you. You want to type in OnlyFans promo. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Promo. Okay, and search, and then you want to go over to people, and you'll see all these OnlyFans promo accounts, literally tons. So if you have the time, it's really a good idea to go through all these accounts and drop your link. So like this account, when was this? What's today? You want to find ones that are recent. This isn't too, yeah, people were posting on here 2 hours ago. So okay, so you want to find one that's recent, and what I'm going to do is post exactly what I posted. It's not letting me, hold on. And what I'm going to do is post exactly what I posted on this account for promotion. So what I'm going to do is reply to this thread. I'm going to pick my pictures. So let me find them. I'm only going to do one, And then I'm gonna paste exactly what I put, like BBW, $3 OnlyFans, and I'm gonna reply to that. And honestly, you just want to keep doing that. Like, there's tons of accounts. You just want to find ones with like recent threads. Like this one was just a minute ago they put it, so I'm gonna do that on here. And honestly, you just want to keep doing this, finding different accounts to drop your links on. Let me see. And it doesn't matter like what kind of account it is. If you see girls that don't look like you under the thread, that's okay. Most of the time guys just search up OnlyFans if they're looking for OnlyFans to subscribe to, and they might like yours. You never know. That's why you just want to do it on all these accounts. It's really tedious because you're just kind of doing it over and over again, but it really helps with getting fans. Honestly, you have like an hour to sit here and tweet your content. It's great. Like this one was 2 hours ago, so I'm gonna do the same thing on here. And do that. This video is long. I thought it was gonna be short. And yeah, you honestly just keep doing that. Sorry, someone texted me. You honestly just keep doing that. See, someone else quoted that. When you reply to those things, people will quote that tweet, and you just retweet that. And honestly, it's just like a, what is it called? You know, it just keeps going. You get a lot of exposure doing that. So like I said, if you have time to sit down and do that for like an hour, you'll get so much exposure, and so many people subscribe to your OnlyFans account. So yeah, so that's how I promote on Twitter. There's not much to it, but I got a lot of questions about like, how do you promote on Twitter? How do you get fans? Like, I tried promoting on Twitter, it's not working. But that's, guys, that's the only thing I do, and it works. And y'all see, I don't have a lot of followers on this account. I have what, 2,100 followers. That's not a lot. Granted, I know I have a lot of followers on my other account, but for the most part, I do my heavy promoting on this account. But I was just reading this fucking DM. My god, these motherfuckers is crazy. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so yeah, that was a long-awaited video. I hope that answered some of your questions. I tried to explain it. I know I'm not good at explaining stuff, but I tried to explain it as best as I can. I tried to get comfy so I could just, you know, roll with it. So let me know if I explained anything, you know, that you didn't understand and you need me to explain it more. But that's the only thing I do, guys, and it works. Besides making these videos and promoting on Twitter, that's the only promotion I really do. I don't use Instagram to promote because they delete everybody's account on there, so I don't try to even promote my OnlyFans on there. Too risky. I don't want to get my account deleted. But yeah, Twitter is good. And I was to go on there right now, like, you'll notice every time you upload your thing again, you'll see like new retweets and stuff. You just have to literally do that. Give yourself an hour and retweet your stuff and see how many followers you get on OnlyFans. It really works for me, but I think it could work for you too. You know, I'm giving y'all the tea, so y'all should use it. Just stand out, like post some, like my pictures are basic because I don't really do, you know, the nudity, but like I got some ideas of what I would do if I, you know, if I was into all of that. But stand out, like make your picture stand out, so when they look through the thread, they see your picture and be like, oh, this is the one I want to subscribe to. Like, look, she look good, period. That's my tips, y'all. I'm gonna end this video because this is way longer than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like a quick 10-minute video, but I talk too much. All right, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.